Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and pine cones of all ages, welcome to the first monthly BRoll Smackdown. Eight unbelievable content creators competing against one another with 30 seconds of B-roll, and you get to decide the winner. Every one of these amazing competitors deserves your support, so please make sure you check the links below and go check out their content. And this is how it works. The 8 competitors are split into 2 brackets. Each bracket will be voted on separately. You're going to see every video and the bracket that it's associated with. You're going to be able to go to Twitter and vote to see who the winner of each bracket is. All the details on voting you'll find right at the end of the video. So let's get started. Naturebound. Susan's Creative. This time around, Travelog. Mountain Survival. WoodPigeon Outdoors. M and the Gang! KrizAkoni. Happy trails hiking! Amazing, right? I know. Luckily, you don't have to vote for just one. You can pick one person from each bracket. Participants, please feel free to promote your entry in any way that you see fit on your channel. Just leave a link in your description pointing to this video so that people can see all the amazing content creators that were involved in this Smackdown. Here's how you can vote. Go to my Twitter page, @FEYRERM. The polls will be open for 6 days. The winner of each bracket will be announced on Up and Coming Tubers next Sunday night at 9 p.m. The finals winner will win a well-traveled $50 Amazon gift card and an M and the Gang sticker. That's pretty awesome. Good luck to all the contestants. Make sure you get your votes in, and I look forward to announcing the semi-finalist winners this Sunday night at 9 p.m. on Up and Coming Tubers. Good luck to everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the BRoll Smackdown. Please get out there and vote. And go out there, find your adventure. I will see you in an hour for the live show.